on the mapping that I have on the email here, this is going to be about the lot size that you're going to end up having. There is, let me swing this around. There are a few that are here that are backed up to other houses there. And then this is going to be the preserve side. It is a 60 foot by 110, 60 foot by 130. I'm going to walk back towards the back here to kind of show you the little area here where it's kind of a dip down. This is for drainage to make sure you don't have any water retention on your yard. And if you notice, I know you probably can't see it on the video, but it kind of slopes down from the front of the house area towards the backyard. And then you do have a preserve that is going to be back behind, and that is not going to be built on. That is a 75 foot preserve area, and it doesn't look like there's going to be anything else over there because there's actually a road right back there. But kind of gives you a little bit of an idea of what the size of the lots are going to be. And these are the ones that are still currently available in this neighborhood. And those are the ones that are circled on that mapping that I gave you. Hopefully this helps.